Hello friends, welcome back to our Facebook page. We are cutting small pieces of ribbons like this and pasting all of them on the double-sided tape. Then we are going to remove the thread from the end like this and we are giving a rough structure like this. Remove the thread completely from all the ribbons. Then we are going to roll it on a stick like this. Then we are going to make leaves out of green crepe paper and paste it on the stick like this. And look how pretty this is looking. Take a purple ribbon and we have to cut a 5 centimeter ribbon here. Cut it from the upper surface as well as from the bottom one until you get a shape like this. We are giving it more shape using fire like we are doing here, and you will get a petal like this. Then again cut the same measurement ribbon, then cut it from the upper and bottom surface using scissors. Again fix it using fire like we are doing here, and you will get a shape like this. Then we have to paste it using hot glue gun on the green stick like we are doing here. Paste all the structure together like we are doing here, one after another, until you got a beautiful shape like this. And look, your flower is getting ready. And look, you have to add more such petals one after another. Then we are finally pasting separately those petals from the bottom like we are doing here. And look, your rose flower is ready. Then you can also add more details like the leaves, and look how pretty this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.